Hello friends, today we have discussed about measures of dispersion. So there are four measures of dispersion that commonly used. In that we will see range, measures of dispersion, that is range. So we will start. What is range? So range is nothing but largest value minus smallest value. So formula for the range equal to largest value minus smallest value. Largest value we will use capital letter capital L, and smallest value we will use capital letter small s, and therefore range equal to L minus S is our formula for finding a range. Now for finding range there are three types of data: raw data, ungrouped data and group data. So first, what is the raw data? If we have given only observations, then such data is called raw data. So now we will discuss how to find range for raw data. So range for raw data, we give one example and find out the range for that data. So find a range for following data. Data we have given observations 10, 12, 20, 17 and 18. So हमें क्या करना है, सिर्फ इसमें से स्मॉलेस्ट वैल्यू कौन सी है एंड लार्जेस्ट वैल्यू कौन सी है, ये हमें सिर्फ फाइंड आउट करना है और उन दोनों का सब्ट्रैक्शन हमें करना है. सो फॉर सॉल्यूशन ऑफ दिस एग्जांपल, solution given largest value. So largest value is our 27. So 27 is our largest value, and smallest value is our 10. So smallest value is 10. So now we have to find range for this data. So range, what is formula? So range equal to largest value minus smallest value. So largest value minus smallest value, or which is equal to capital L minus S. So largest value, we have largest value as 27. So 27 minus smallest value as 10. So 27 minus 10, if we subtract these two numbers, then we get 17. So 17 is the range for this data. So इस तरह से हमें रेंज फॉर रॉ डाटा फाइंड आउट करना है. सो रॉ डाटा मीन्स क्या है, ओनली आपको ऑब्जर्वेशंस दिए जाएंगे. सो ओनली ऑब्जर्वेशंस वी हैव गिवन, देन रेंज, हाउ वी फाइंड रेंज फॉर दिस डाटा दैट वी हैव सीन. नाउ वी विल सी रेंज फॉर अनग्रुप्ड डाटा. How to find range for ungrouped data? So range for ungrouped data, उसके लिए हमें firstly ungrouped data क्या है ये पता होना चाहिए. So what is ungrouped data? If we have given observations and their corresponding frequency. If we have given observations and their corresponding frequency, then such data is called ungrouped data. So we will see how to find range for such data or range for ungrouped data. So next, range for ungrouped data. Again we will take one example for finding range of ungrouped data. So example is that find range for following data. So here we have given xi and their corresponding frequency. xi means observations and their corresponding frequencies हमें यहाँ पे दी गई है. तो इस डाटा के लिए, इस डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन के लिए हमें रेंज की वैल्यू क्या आती है ये फाइंड आउट करना है. सो अगेन आवर फॉर्मूला इज फॉर फाइंडिंग range equal to largest value minus smallest value. So what we have done, so we have find out only largest value of observations and smallest value that we have given in observation. So again solution, again हम write down करेंगे. फर्स्टली लार्जेस्ट वैल्यू हमें क्या दी है. सो लार्जेस्ट वैल्यू इज इक्वल टू, सो अगेन हमें चेक क्या करना है, ऑब्जर्वेशन में जो लार्जेस्ट वैल्यू दी है वो हमें लेनी है. सो ऑब्जर्वेशंस में लार्जेस्ट वैल्यू हमारे पास 30 है एंड स्मॉलेस्ट वैल्यू So smallest value for given observations is 8, so smallest value is 8. So our formula, इन दोनों के लिए हमें रेंज फाइंड आउट करना है. So range equal to largest value L minus smallest value S. So put these values, largest value 30 and smallest value is our 8. So equal to 30 minus 8. So if we subtract these two, then we get 22 as a range. So this one is range for given data, given ungrouped distributions. So इस तरह से हमें range for ungrouped data find out करना है. So what is ungrouped data? If we have given observations and corresponding frequencies, then such data or that data is called ungrouped data. And now last one, range for group data. So firstly, what is group data? So group data means if we have given class intervals and corresponding their frequencies. For example, class intervals means if you have given a range for some data and their corresponding frequencies, so such data is called grouped data or grouped frequency distributions. So next one, we will see how to find a range for such grouped frequency distribution or such grouped data. So range for group data, again we will take one example for group data and we have to find the range for that data. So range for that data, find the range for the following data. So here we have given class intervals and corresponding their frequencies. Class intervals यहाँ पे हमें दी हुई है 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20 and 20 to 25 and their corresponding frequencies 3, 5, 10 and 2 ये हमें दी हुई है. अब इस टाइप ऑफ डाटा के लिए हमें जब रेंज फाइंड आउट करना है तो उसके लिए हमें क्या करना है, जो भी हमें क्लास इंटरवल्स दी गई है उस क्लास इंटरवल में से फर्स्ट क्लास इंटरवल की लोवेस्ट वैल्यू और लास्ट क्लास इंटरवल की लार्जेस्ट वैल्यू ये हमें लेना है और उन दोनों की हमें सब्ट्रैक्शन यहाँ पे करना है. सो अगेन हमारा फॉर्मूला तो सेम रहेगा, रेंज इक्वल टू लार्जेस्ट वैल्यू माइनस स्मॉलेस्ट वैल्यू. सो वी विल टेक लार्जेस्ट वैल्यू फ्रॉम क्लास इंटरवल्स and we will take smallest value from given class intervals. So solution, so again largest value we have to take capital L as a largest value. So L equal to, so see what is largest value in class intervals. So largest value is 25. So L equal to 25. Similarly smallest value we have take S as a smallest value. So S equal to, what is smallest value in class interval? Smallest value is 5. So now finally for range, for finding range we have just subtract these two quantities. So range equal to formula L minus S, so equal to largest value L means क्या है आपका 25 माइनस S means क्या है आपका 5. So दोनों का अगर subtraction किया, if we subtract these two quantities then we get 20 as a range. So this one is the range for group data. So again, what is group data? If we have given class intervals and corresponding frequencies, then such data is called group data or grouped frequency distribution. And for such type of data, we have to find range using this procedure, using this method. So this one is the range of measures, range, that is the one type of measures of dispersion. Remaining measures of dispersion that we have discussed in next lecture. Thank you.